Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how to construct angle 140 degrees just using your compass. So that means we'll not be needing our protractor in constructing this angle. Alright, so to get started, let me draw my horizontal line. So having done that, you're going to bring in your compass. So at any convenient length, you set the radius to any convenient length. So you place it on the vertical line, horizontal line rather. And you're going to draw a semicircle like this. So you can let it overlap the horizontal line that you've drawn. Now note some of those points. Let me call this point O, and let me call this point A, and let me call this point B. Exactly. So with the same length, so let me note some of those points. This is point B here. This is point A here, right here. Now with the same length used in drawing the semicircle, you place it on B. On point B, you draw an arc. You can see where the arc is touching the semicircle. You place the compass there, and then you draw another arc. So just to confirm, you can just, if the next one should be touching point A. Alright, so let me call this point D, and let me call this point C. So now from point C, which is right here, still with the same length on your compass, you're going to draw an arc. You can make this one a little longer. Then you come to point A, you draw an arc with this. So let me see where this point of intersection here, let me call it let's just call this point E. Point E. So from point E, with the same length, I'm also going to draw an arc. Alright, so let me come back to point C, make this longer. So I hope you can see it. So once you are doing that of point C, you should make it longer. So you are going to be having an intersection here. That means on this particular arc that you've drawn, you are going to be making two intersections on it. So let me call this point F. So what we want to do again now is from point E and from point F, we are going to draw an arc from point E and point F. Now from their point of intersection, which is right here, we are going to draw a line to point O. To point O. And that line that we've just drawn is what will give us 140 degrees. So this angle right here is 140 degrees. So to confirm that, you can now bring in your protractor. So all things being equal, you'll be having 140 degrees. So I hope that is clear. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to PA Academy, please consider clicking on that subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Alright, so with that, I'll see you all in another video. And also, if you want to know how to construct other angles, there are a list of them in the playlist under technical drawing. And that's it for now. Thank you.